Hello! In this video I will introduce the new wireless portable printer PIXMA TR150. The TR150 will be available with the battery or without the battery. This model will replace the PIXMA iP110, for which you can find videos by clicking the upper right corner of the screen. As I will be covering more on this model in my future videos, let's see what is new compared to the predecessor. The design and dimensions are similar, but the new printer is more durable, more robust, and has new OLED display on the operational panel. All connectors are now on the same side. And there is anti-theft lock available. The key printer specs are similar. The new model is also using the same ink as the predecessor. Anyway, there are some improvements in printing for quality, as well as support for the new square media. With the pigment black ink, the black and white print is water resistant. TR150 is fully connectable, including 5G support and all the cloud services from Canon Inkjet Cloud Printing Center. The Canon Inkjet apps are supported, including Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app and Easy Photo Print Editor, from which you can print ID cards, business cards or calendar, if I mention only a few items that are made for business users. As the battery is new, now it can be USB charged from power bank, laptop or from the car USB. In about 10 minutes you can charge it for 36 pages printed. Additionally, there are many other new functionalities, from which I would mention the custom template print, where you can upload 5 documents to printer via driver and print it out on demand. And there are several IT and advanced user functionalities in this small printer. My printer has been unboxed, and that would be all in this video. Because I will be setting up, connecting and more with this printer in my future videos. Find more videos on my channel and feel free to subscribe so you will be notified about my future uploads. Thank you for watching and sharing. Bye!